and welcome back. Nigeria's kidnapping crisis has become one of the country's most pressing security challenges. From highways and rural communities to schools and farmlands, criminal groups have continued to exploit difficult terrain and weak surveillance to carry out abductions for ransom. But as security agencies search for more effective ways to combat the threats, a new question is beginning to emerge. Could technology, particularly drones, become one of the most powerful weapons in Nigeria's fight against kidnappers? Around the world, unmanned aerial systems are transforming modern security operations, and Nigeria is increasingly looking to the same technology as part of its counter-kidnapping strategy. The big question is this: can drones significantly reduce kidnapping in Nigeria, or are they only one piece of a much larger security puzzle? While advanced surveillance technology offers new capabilities, security experts continue to argue that technology alone cannot defeat organized criminal networks. Success depends not only on what drones can see from the sky, but also on how quickly intelligence is processed, how rapidly security forces respond, and whether information is effectively shared among military, police, intelligence, and local communities. The discussion is therefore no longer about whether drones are useful, but about how effectively they are integrated into broader security operations. In recent years, Nigeria has expanded the use of unmanned aerial vehicles, commonly known as drones, across different security operations. Unlike conventional aircraft, drones can remain airborne for extended periods while transmitting live videos and thermal imagery to command centers. They can patrol forests, monitor highways, observe remote communities, and follow suspicious movements without immediately revealing their presence. These capabilities make drones particularly valuable in regions where kidnappers often operate under the cover of dense vegetation or difficult terrain. One of the biggest advantages of drone technology is intelligence gathering. Before security forces launch rescue operations or raid, drones can quietly monitor suspected camps, identify escape routes, estimate the number of armed individuals present, and provide commanders with real-time information. This reduces the need for blind operations that could place both security personnel and hostages at greater risks. Accurate intelligence also increases the likelihood of successful rescue mission while reducing unnecessary casualties during confrontation. Drones also provide an important advantage in search and rescue operations. Kidnappers frequently move victims into forests that are difficult to access by road or on foot. Searching such areas traditionally requires large number of security personnel and that can take several days. Modern surveillance drones equipped with high-resolution cameras and thermal imaging sensors can scan vast areas far more quickly, even during darkness or poor visibility. While drones cannot rescue hostages on their own, they can dramatically improve the speed and accuracy of locating suspicious movements. Several countries have demonstrated how unmanned aerial technology can strengthen security operations. Nations facing insurgencies, terrorism, and organized criminal activities increasingly rely on drones for surveillance, border monitoring, and intelligence gathering. Nigeria has also incorporated drones into military operations against insurgent groups in Northeast, where aerial surveillance has helped identify suspected camps, monitor movements, and support precision operations. These experiences have encouraged wider discussions about using similar technology against kidnapping networks operating in other parts of the country. However, technology is not a magic solution. Drones are only effective as the intelligence supporting their deployment. Criminal groups frequently adapt by changing locations, hiding beneath dense cover tree, reducing electronic communications, or moving hostages frequently to avoid detection. Weather conditions, technical failures, and limited flight endurance can also affect operational effectiveness. Without reliable human intelligence from local communities, drone surveillance alone may not always identify kidnapping camps or reveal criminal plans before attacks occur. Another major challenge involves response time. Detecting kidnappers is only the first step. Once suspicious activity is identified, security agencies must have trained personnel, aircraft, vehicles, and communication systems capable of responding immediately. Delays between surveillance and intervention may allow criminals to escape or relocate hostages before security forces arrive. This means investment in drone technology must be accompanied by improvement in command coordination, logistics, communication, and rapid deployment capabilities across all security agencies. Cost is another factor that cannot be ignored. Advanced surveillance drones equipped with thermal cameras, long-range communication systems, and sophisticated sensors require substantial financial investments. They also demand trained pilots, maintenance personnel, secure communication networks, and continuous technical support. Beyond purchasing the equipment, governments must invest in training operators, maintaining fleets, and protecting drone systems from electronic interference or cyber threats. Long-term success therefore depends on sustained funding and institutional capacity rather than equipment purchase alone. There are also important legal and ethical considerations. As government expands area surveillance, questions inevitably arise about privacy, accountability, and oversight. Drone operation must comply with national laws and respect the rights of citizens while balancing legitimate security concerns. Clear operational guidelines, proper authorization procedures, and independent oversight help ensure that surveillance technology is used responsibly and maintains public confidence. Trust between security agencies and communities remain essential for effective intelligence gathering and successful counter-kidnapping operations. Can technology save Nigeria from kidnapping? The answer is probably more complex than a simple yes or no. Drones have already demonstrated their value by improving surveillance, enhancing intelligence gathering, and supporting military operations against armed groups. They offer security agencies faster situational awareness and better operational planning than ever before. Yet, lasting success will depend on combining technology-reliable intelligence, professional security personnel, effective leadership, community cooperation, strong judicial institutions, and sustained political commitment. Drones may not end kidnapping on their own, but when integrated into a comprehensive security strategy, they could become one of Nigeria's most effective tools in reducing one of its most persistent security threats. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment below. If you find this report informative, please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss our updates in Nigeria and nationwide. I'm Chimezrim Okoro, and thanks for watching.